back to another day. Is this day 3 or day 4? I don't even know at this point. Look how cool that was. Driving this car during SEMA, I never thought this would be a possibility. So if you didn't know, Forsberg asked me to drive one of their taxis. It's a V8 motor from a Titan, makes like 550 or 600 horsepower. It's got a CDO9 on the back. My first LS car I've ever driven. It's so much fun, and I'm driving you guys all day. That was a great start. We have a couple more days to drive with this thing. Now let's go inside and see more of the show.
This man asks me to bring him an extra pair of long socks in case his ankles start to hurt, and he puts on one sock. Can't even switch out both of them.
No one will ever know.
Oh, it's the first thing I know.
No one will ever know.
Everybody does.
It's fine. Calvin's not wearing a shirt. Where's my shirt? I forgot.
Where did it go?
Did you one long sock?
Did you steal my shirt?
Calvin has no underwear on, no t-shirt on.
You guys, this color on the Earth, question mark, I think it looks really, really good. Everyone here makes fun of me. Wait, really? No? Okay.
I don't know.
Calvin, what do you think?
That satin red.
Oh, what?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, run me over this.
So if you guys are at the SEMA show, you can come up to the Magnum booth where the BRZ is and where the 400 is, or you can go out to the Vail side and you're gonna see this sign that you guys see behind me. This sign's really cool. It's like a little brief description of what the build was, but then also you're gonna see on the bottom left-hand corner is gonna be a tap with your phone. So what you do is you bring your iPhone next to it, and it's gonna bring up an option to open something. And once you do this, it's gonna open up a special video that we filmed specifically for each and every one of the cars. Now, this is gonna get you guys access to the HuntingCompany.com where you can actually purchase the SEMA and Hunting Company collab that we made specifically for SEMA. So if you're here in person and you tap this poster with your phone, it's gonna give you access to the website, super limited, and it's never gonna be back ever again. And if you're not at SEMA, you're gonna be able to get it on November 6th on Saturday. It will all be available. So if you're here, come look for the sign, scan your phone, and that's how you can get access. We had a bunch of DMs about it, and these posters weren't here yesterday, so I wanted to show you guys how to do it. We have about an hour of free time, so let's make use of it. And I haven't really got to see the show so far, so we're gonna go around and try to find the top 5 coolest cars here at SEMA this year. The first car that I want to showcase is this G80 M3. Now, I think everyone expects like super crazy builds, one-of-one builds here at SEMA, but that's not always the case. I do believe this is a new front bumper. This isn't the original G80 front bumper. I don't know if anyone can confirm.
We were just talking about that. We believe it is also. The grille, it looks a little longer.
It looks...
The grill looks a little smaller, which I think...
It looks great. I honestly, I don't know the G80 enough to really tell the differences, but just the fitment on this thing, it's obviously on air. It's beautiful. In the color, the carbon accents, the best G80 M3 I've ever seen. That gets first car. Number 2, this is actually a 300 BRZ. The Instagram handle is jcray. Put it on screen. This is a beautiful car. Dylan knows more about it than I do.
So this is Jay Cray's Time Attack car. It's actually going to be competing in Global Time Attack a week after SEMA. We are lucky enough to have a local artist from Toyo end up actually drawing its own race livery right onto the car itself. Inside it features a full welded in cage by Studio RSR. It's on some Workmeisters. Interior is completely stripped on the car. We are going to be doing a carbon body on it after SEMA, and it will be getting a K20 swap actually. So a lot more content to come with this one for sure.
Number 3 pick. Such a cool build. I've been following this guy on Instagram for a while. You know more about it than I do.
He knows more about it.
I'll give you guys the clip notes. 17-year-old, started working on this car. He's 21 now. I don't know if it's done. Kind of done. He did all the fabrication himself. It's beautiful. It's like the most beautiful thing ever. I love it. It's my favorite Gen 1 BRZ over the Miley. This might be a little bit of a precursor. Maybe Dylan won't yell at me if I say this. We love this car so much. I was like, damn, if only he had a Street Hunter kit on his car. Oh, but it's a Gen 1.
And we might have reached out to him.
Yeah, so all the Gen 1 BRZ owners, you guys can thank this guy because a kit is coming because of this guy, because we wanted on this car so bad. So this definitely gets the pick for number 3. Pick number 4 is this Ferrari behind us that has a K-swap in it. It looks phenomenal. It's a little crowded right now, so I'm gonna give you guys some overlay shots. I mean, just pay attention to the detail in the bay. And I think this is my first time seeing a K-swap. It might be the first time it's ever been done. I'm not even sure. It looks beautiful. Very interesting swap. The interior is gorgeous. The exterior is gorgeous. 10 out of 10 for creativity and originality. Spot number 4. Pick number 5 is going to be Rob Dom's car. It's here at the Valvoline booth. It is his 4-rotor. I've driven with this car at Good Life. I've seen it on track. I've heard this thing idling and exploding flames in my ear, and you guys have seen it on the vlog. He now has it wrapped. He has some new body pieces on it. I adore this car. I love it. And for that, Rob, we gave you spot number 5.
cute. That's my boyfriend. No, that's my boyfriend.
Oh, whoa.
We're at lunch right now, and Danny has a really cool party trick he wants to show all of you.
It's not good. It's in a can.
Guys, it's 11 o'clock somewhere.
He has no one can open their throat like the goat, Danny.
Trust me, he knows. He loves it.
God, dude, it's terrifying. When did I see you? When did you?
It was 2019 SEMA. Yeah, $100 bill. I'll find it. I'll find a picture.
That's so sick. And what's the date on that?
That's fucking crazy.
2019 in Vegas.
And then Calvin and Kevin signed the back of it.
Awesome.
So this
I'm working on a sleep. I gotta start working on sleep. I got these. I got the band. I must have been so nervous writing that. I was like, don't screw up. Don't screw up. Don't screw up. Have everyone with us here. It's super cool. I have friends from home. I have my family here. It's so cool to have everyone. I don't think out of all the years of SEMA, I've never had like a bunch of friends come out outside of like normal like car friends, but it's really cool to have everyone here. The amount of people that are here that watch the vlogs, like there are so many of you guys, it's insane. But I'm gonna go back to the race cars. We have another day of driving today, and I'm gonna give ride-alongs to everyone. My dad's never been in a drift car. Sam's never been in a drift car, so I'm really excited to take them in the taxi. Because when I tell my dad I'm drifting, he like doesn't really understand. Like he's like, okay, you're right. He's a young just driving ridiculously in a car, but he's never like actually got to feel it. So it's a really special moment. I mean, I don't know. I'm just very excited to be like, Dad, like, here's what I do other than making YouTube videos, and here's what I spend so much time doing. Well, it's really cool. I'm just happy right now.
It's the AirPod guy. Yeah. Oh, it's
the
drifter guy. Punk. We were making content for your channel.
Oh yeah, continue, guys. Hey, continue. It's all good.
All right, son. What would you like for Christmas?
I want TJ Hunt to drift me.
Boom. Snapshot to TJ drifting me.
Craziest jet tag collection I've ever seen. That's absolutely absurd. And it's like an OG shirt, and we got the hat too. And the sweatshirt. Damn. Dude, that's fucking great.
One of the shirts, pants.
Damn.
I also flew from Washington this morning at 5 o'clock in the morning just to get here.
Dude, that's fucking
Bought my
crazy.
tickets last night and everything.
That's crazy. Hey, I'm gonna come back and I wanna get a photo with you, okay? Wow, what an amazing day. So much fun driving, man. I really hope Chris gives me the opportunity to do that again. And for everyone who got a ride along, I had a blast with you and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I get the opportunity to do that again in the future. That was amazing. Tonight, we are going to the SEMA banquet. We've never been to this dinner. It's usually for like the corporate division, I guess, and for the presidents and vice presidents of SEMA and high executive brands go there and have a big dinner together. It's like this big auditorium, but it's a SEMA official event. Regardless, this year they have a new award being presented called Influencer of the Year. I got nominated a couple months ago in a group of a bunch of amazing individuals and other people who do exactly kind of what we do. And we made it to the top 5 finalists. So we were invited to the dinner tonight because it's essentially an award show and dinner, kind of like the Emmys, I guess. There's like a stage. I don't know. I've never been, but we're gonna go there tonight, and we are keeping our fingers crossed. We're rooting for the channel here. We're rooting for everything that we've created, everything we've done, and we'll see if we win. It would be an amazing opportunity. I'm just blessed even just to get the nomination to make it this far, because there's so many amazing creators that are among this group. So it's truly an honor. So we're about to meet up with the boys. Just got home. A brand new movement watch. This one's super dope. It even has like forged carbon fiber in it. Can you guys see that? Use code TJ Hunt, get a discount, my dudes. Anyways, look at this view. Wow, that's amazing. I'm just so happy to be here. Such a fun time. I see you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and I almost just pushed that lamp over. And to be honest, I just can't wait to go home so I could drive the BRZ. The only car I care about right now is going home and driving this 300 BRZ. It's so sick. I'm literally obsessed with it. Okay, let's meet the boys. Let's go to dinner. I had no idea it was gonna be this big of a thing. There's a lot of people here.
It's not just for influencer.
No, gosh no. That's like a small nanosecond or meter of it.
What?
What'd you say? It's a nanosecond meter inch measurement velocity.
Danny ate another snail today.
Did you really, Danny?
Why do you think his eyes are stuck like that?
Okay, so that huge room we were just in was like the waiting room. My God, this is incredible. This is probably the gnarliest like show event thing I've ever been to. Like, look at this stage. Okay, the show is over. It's all done. We got robbed. No. Big shout out to Larry. Larry won. I thought Adam was gonna win.
I thought you were gonna win for sure.
That's so politically correct of you to say. Thank
No,
you.
no. In all reality, you have more cars here than most of the manufacturers.
All right, Walt Disney of cars. It's okay.
Crying?
Yeah, I'm crying. We're gonna go party now, baby.
Ooh, are they coming?
Who?
These guys.
Yeah, they'll be there.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, wow, no. Doctor.
Alright, let's go.
We came outside to take an Uber, and we ended up in a party bus, and now we're gonna go party.
Where's Adam?
He's not coming with us.
Are you serious?
Yeah, he's gotta go back to his hotel.
What a weenie!
Is it because I'm here?
Yeah.
Sorry, pal.
Sorry, guys.
Hey, it's been all week, but we finally found the Taquari bar.
Anthony's first in line. Now the trip will finally be complete. I'm getting my Aquarius. I don't want to go. We're gonna have to be all fucking sardined up.
It's not gonna be good.
Just got back. Look at all these sweet rads. That one's on bags. That's pretty cool.
How do you know it's on bags?
Because I can look how low it is. It's on bags.
Can they see how the ground is made of sprinkles?
They can see it. They absolutely see it.
Well, guys, that is the end of this video.
I don't think it's
Thank y'all so much for watching.
I don't think it's
I'll see y'all back in San Diego. SEMA week, boys, is over. And I'll miss you, but we'll see you next year. Thank y'all so much for watching. Peace out, and keep moving forward.
What?